Market participants generally fear further deterioration in China's economy amid continued trade-related tensions with the U.S. and overall slowing pace of growth, as investors keep a close eye on economic developments in the Asia-Pacific region for any signs of improved conditions. The week kicks off Monday with an update on trade balance figures out of Hong Kong and New Zealand, as well as Australia's NAB monthly business survey for December. In November, NAB revealed that both business conditions and confidence had continued their downward trend. NAB Group Chief Economist Alan Oster said that the trend suggests that the business sector has lost some momentum since late 2017 and early 2018. Confidence is now below average, signaling the businesses themselves think momentum will slow further. Oster also pointed out that conditions in the retail industry continue to deteriorate, having lagged those of other sectors, and with apparently little improvement heading into the holiday season. He added that the ongoing weakness in retail suggests that weakness in consumer spending is likely to have continued into the fourth quarter. On Tuesday, investors will receive updates on Singapore's producer prices for December, South Korean business confidence, as well as Australia's CPI for the fourth quarter. Consumer prices in Australia rose nearly 2% year-on-year in the third quarter, highlighted by increases in holiday travel. However, this was offset by a fall in childcare costs amid changes in the country's childcare benefits and rebates. Meanwhile, releases midweek will usher in a slew of new reports, including Japanese consumer confidence and industrial production, as well as South Korean retail sales and industrial production. Wednesday will also bring China's NBS manufacturing PMI for January, after falling into contraction territory in December for the first time since July 2016. Investors will likely be paying close attention to economic figures out of China, especially after official real GDP growth for 2018 fell to its slowest pace in nearly 10 years. On Thursday, there's a surge of new data on the calendar. Among a long list of updates, investors will get Singapore's business confidence figures, South Korea's rate of inflation and trade balance, Japanese unemployment, Australian producer prices, as well as a series of Nikkei manufacturing reports, including for Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, Indonesia, Thailand, and Vietnam. Also, China will unveil fresh Caixin manufacturing PMI numbers for January, and ahead of the weekend, India will release its Nikkei manufacturing PMI after a significant rise in sales underpinned production growth in December. Coming off the weekend, Australia will provide retail sales, trade figures, and the Reserve Bank of Australia will make its interest rate decision. On the corporate front, look out for earnings releases during the week from Sharp, TDK, Sony, and Honda Motor. In the meantime, select the event calendar option in the IBKR Trader workstation for a full list of U.S. and global corporate events and earnings, dividend schedules, economic data, IPOs, and more. I'm Steven Levine for Interactive Brokers, asking you to enjoy the week ahead.